Once we get our panels all installed up to our rake, we're going to go ahead and put our drip edge on if we need one. Remember, once again, I can use my 3.5 inch fascia, or I can use a painted drip, whatever which one you prefer. Then we're going to come back with our mission cap. So we're going to take our 6-inch end disc and we're going to put that in our first cap. As you can see here, you can fold it over and keep it a full circle, or whatever you want to do. Use our stitch screws to put that into that cap. And then on the first one only, we're going to do the notch out here. As you can see here, that's just going to be notching out this one so I can go ahead and bring this nice and tight to my eave line. And then when we're going to fasten this, we're going to do one down through the top into my 2x2s, as you can see there, and then we'll have 2 on our side going into our fascia board. We'll take our next cap, come over the top, and we're going to put 1 cap per row of tile, and then once again fasten down into my 2x2, and then get those 2 in the side. And then just continue 1 cap per row of tile. Now, since we went down through the top and these tiles on the rake, just like we do on our bottom row, we're going to take our caulking, go ahead and caulk those, and then take the granules from my touch-up kit and then go ahead and put those in that caulking. Alright, so when we come up to a rake to ridge intersection, we want to do the following steps. So we're just going to notch out where that cap's going to hit my barrel, and then we'll extend this past on the east side. We'll come in here just like so, fasten that as normal. Then we'll come back with our next piece, and we're going to find our miter going even with our fascia boards, and we'll place that one just like so and fasten that one as normal. Then we'll go ahead and put our end disc in the end here, and then we're going to go ahead and find our cut around our rake caps, and we'll come right over the top just like so, and we'll go ahead and fasten that one. And then we can go ahead and continue along our ridge, 2 fasteners per cap. And then when we're all done, we can go ahead and come back, and anything through the top, we'll go ahead and caulk those. We can caulk our cuts and dress them up with the granules into that caulking.